Hello and welcome to Finextra. I'm Hannah Wallace, and today I'm joined by Saunders Calvert from Thomson Reuters, and we're going to be talking about M&A and capital raising in 2018. Leon, thank you for taking the time to speak with us today.
Sure, thank you.
And finally, banks are under increasing cost pressures. Does this affect their relationship with you?
So you're absolutely right. You know, post the credit crisis that we saw over 10 years ago now, banks are still focused on, as a result of regulation and compliance burdens, still focused on reducing costs very, very significantly. And yes, they're looking at those really interesting things that technology might be able to offer, like artificial intelligence and machine learning and those types of things. But exactly how those will play out and exactly what they can and can't do, I think is still in the sort of testing and iterative process, which we certainly engage with our customers around. But actually, there's even just the basics. There's getting the basics right, which includes things like managing the total amount of market data providers that you have and seeing if there's room for consolidation around that process. And I think that we're very well positioned to support that. If I give an example, we service bankers who look to raise capital on behalf of corporations, look to help them raise money. And typically within investment banks, that's known as the ECM and DCM teams, which is equity capital markets and debt capital markets teams. And in that space, we've really effectively done a consolidation process ourselves of all the different capabilities that we had that we think can service that space across the real-time trading, live pricing information, and all the referential data that we carry. And bringing that together, I think, has been really, really useful to service that audience. And then especially when we add the partners that we're working with in that space, that includes the likes of SIA, who've created a book building capability, a book building application, which allows the order management process of IPOs and things like that. We've worked with a company called Semantic Evolution to solve for a runs parsing problem. That's a very technical term within the industry, but certainly our DCM, our debt capital markets users are very, very familiar with it and use it extensively and require it to do their jobs. And finally, we've partnered with Symphony around the Messenger platform, combining our Messenger community along with Symphony's Messenger community and really working that through the Icon platform. So that process of consolidation is one which we're really looking to help our customers through, and getting the basics right becomes really, really important when you're looking at your total cost of ownership.
Leon, this has been great. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And thank you for watching.